Good afternoon, student. See, this is exercise 1 from the chapter water. Please hold the pencil in your hand and start marking the answer. Okay? See, this is the question number 1. 3 parts are there, A, B and C. First question is 3 major sources of natural water. Second question B, 4 sources of surface water, and C, 2 underground sources of water. For these 3 questions, come to page number 86. See, all the 3 answers are given here. For question number 1, the main sources of natural water, 3 main sources are surface water, underground and above surface water. Question number B, the surface sources of water. See, these are surface water. Okay. Now, sources of underground water is well water and spring water. So, these 3 for the question number A, B and C. Now, question number 2. Answer the following questions in short. In which form, question number A, in which form is water present in the atmosphere? We all know that the water present in atmosphere in which form? Vapor, mist and cloud. See, these 3. Now question number B. Which source of water contain the highest concentration of salt in it? Sea water, as it is a saline water. C. Why is rainwater considered as the purest form of natural water? And what possibly, see first this one and then this, what possible impurities does rainwater contain? For these 2 questions, see, open page number 87 again. Why rainwater is considered as the purest? See, rainwater is almost pure water formed by evaporation of water followed by its vapor condensation. When we get water or liquid from condensation, is almost pure. Why? Because by the process of evaporation we get it, and after evaporation we collect it as a condensation. So this is the question answer for question number B. C. Rainwater is almost pure water formed by evaporation of water followed by its vapor condensation. And for the question number D, impurities present in rainwater. For this question, your answer must be from here. The only impurities present in rainwater are dust and dissolved gases such as oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. See, these till here. And question number E. What is water table? See, this is water table. Page number 87 again. When rainwater falls, a part of rain from here to this. This is the water table. You can write your answer from this to this. Now, to the another page. See, this question I'll give you, just skip this. Question number F. Now G. Why the taste of spring water different? Why the taste of spring water differs at the different places? Why? Because the water get filtered through the different layers of, see here, they have been filtered. Cut the day and use water. Please cut this day and use water in place of this. Water have been filtered through different layer of soil. The dissolved impurities depend on the nature of the soil surrounding the spring or well. Therefore, the taste of water differ at the different places. Okay. Now, for the another question. See, 3 major impurities present in river. It is also given in that river portion. See this one. Question number 4. Give the percentage of water in the following. Rice and wheat grains, it is 3 to 4%. Eggs 75%, bread 25%, tomatoes 95%, watermelon 97%. Question number 5. What are the 3 states of water? It is given. Why the ice, liquid and steam? For this question number 6, please write. You can write your answer from here. Okay. this one. How the cloud are formed are again given. Water cycle, what is its important? Water cycle I am already given you as a project. No, not as a project. Actually, I have already told you water cycle. What is water cycle? Just write here. Right from here to here. What is water cycle? And how are the following formed? Fog, dew, mist and frost. It is already we have discussed. Fog, mist, dew and frost. Okay. So this is all about the exercise 1. Please prepare all the answers in your notebook. Then today we start from here. Importance of